Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. After 1 year, we are here again. Nag-stop ako ng vlogging.
Mama, what do I do with this? It has this weird thing.
There's no problem with that. Nag-stop ako November. Then I will start November again. So, dalawang beses na po ako nag-stop. Okay, now let's continue. Today, our goal, just let him do his job there. So ito, actually, I already did something in our living room. And now, I'm going to decorate our dining area. I will continue. Nagawa ko na ito kahapon. Last week, I already did the living room. Lagyan natin ito. So this one first, under the Christmas tree. And then, well, we are going to pick up Beatrice later to school. So yeah, I hope you will support me in my YouTube channel. Welcome to Portugal. Welcome Philippines. Ayun guys, clear na. Ginamitan ko ng air dryer kasi nagpumoint sa loob ng camera. Doon ko sinastore kasi sa working area ko. So guys, natapos na natin akyatin. So dito nga guys, maglagay na tayo ng mga ornaments. So unahin natin yung malalaking ornaments na red at saka natin isunod yung iba. So this time, talagang ibabalance mo kung saan natin ilalagay para maganda sa tingnan yung mga ornaments natin. So, talagang tinitingnan ko yan ng malayo para makita natin kung saan pa natin kailangan maglagay. So, this one guys ay made of wood yan. So, in order namin yan. So, you can also click the link below to order the same as what I have here in the Christmas tree. This is made of wood. So, ganyan. Maganda siya tingnan sa Christmas tree. Tayo, kailangan nating luto ng tanghalian. So, nag-prepare ako dito ng chicken. Gagawin ko po itong fried chicken at saka yung iba na slice ko ay gagamitin ko siya sa paggawa ng pansit. Ng mantika at mag-isa po tayo ng aho, sibuyas, mince po yan kasi yung mga tao dito hindi ko makain ng malalaki. At saka nilagay ko pala dyan ang chicken, hindi ko na napakita. So, while waiting for the yung niluto ko na mag-boil, nagawa din tayo ng para sa ating fried chicken. So, meron tayo itong itlog, yung flour, lagyan natin ng konting cornstarch at saka black pepper. Lagyan natin yung vegetable doon sa ating pansit na nilagyan ko rin pala yon ng ng seafoods. So, after nun, gagawin na natin yung fried chicken. I-mix natin yung, mekos-mekos natin yung flour kasama yung cornstarch at saka yung black pepper. Ilagay natin yung chicken sa itlog at saka ilagay natin doon sa cornstarch at saka ready na siya na i-fry yung chicken natin. Ayun guys, maglagay na nga tayo ng oil para sa ating fried chicken. At priprituhin na natin habang inaantay natin mag-boil yung sa kabila naman. So, ano talaga tayo dito? Yung multitasking tayo dito sa bahay. Para magsabay-sabay maluto yung ating pagkain at hindi malamig yung isa at saka naman maluto yung isa. So, ganun talaga dito. So, ganyan. Tapos, yan. Pagkatapos noon, nilagay ko yan yung pansit. Yan, yung Chinese noodles. Ilagay natin doon. At saka, habang inaantay din natin, na uminit yung mantika para sa fried chicken natin. So, habang nagluluto tayo doon sa kabila ng noodles, ito naman ang gagawin natin. Yung fried chicken natin ay atin naman priprituhin dito sa kabilang pan. So, ganyan lang guys. Ganyan dapat para mas mabilis at maisahan ng ba. Kasi, yun nga, hindi nga kumakain ng mga tao dito na malamig na yung pagkain. So, kailangan natin gawin sabay-sabay. So, mahirap pag may bisita dito guys. Dahil, hindi pwede na malamig na yung pagkain na ngaantay sa bisita. Dapat pag dating ng bisita ay kasabay din ang pagluto ng pagkain nila. So, ganyan. So, habang piniprito natin yung chicken, dito na naman tayo sa kabila. At saka, yan, lulutuin natin yung noodles. So, mukhang masarap na siya. Mabango yan, guys. Ngayon, ilagay natin yung natitirang vegetables at siguraduhin nating maluto talaga siya. So, yun. Luto na nga yung chicken natin. Ilagay na natin sa plate. Palagi kami naglalagay ng kitchen towel, guys, para ma-absorb yung oil doon sa kitchen towel. So, ayan. Tapos, yung isa naman, luto na din. Yan, tingnan nyo. Luto na din siya. So, ilagay na din natin doon sa ating serving plate. So, this is our lunch, guys. Sa araw na ito, ito yung pansit na may seafoods at may chicken at saka fried chicken at saka rice. At saka yun, nag-get ready na nga tayo. At tayo ay aalis ng maaga papunta sa city para pipick upin si Beatrice. At bago pick upin si Beatrice nga, tayo ay bibili ng tinapay. Palagi kami bumibili ng tinapay sa Lidl. At kumakain kasi gutom na nga kami. Tapos gutom, kakakain lang, gutom na naman. So, no, it's around 3 p.m. na yata yun. Tapos yun, bumili kami ng coffee at saka ng muffins at saka yung asawa ko, ano yun, yung apple tart, yung paborito niya. So, yun. Kumakain kami habang nag-aantay kami. Nasa parking area na kami, nag-aantay kay Beatrice. Yeah. What did you do in school then? What did you make?
We made these hedgehogs.
Chicken nuggets.
It's nice. It's good.
Rice.
Really nice. Looks really nice.
It's really good.
You know why they are so dark? Because you put the egg yellow on top. I think this is what you
Wash egg.
Do,
You call it wash egg.
Yeah.
It's nice, yeah.
Put the egg yellow on top.
That's what I'm talking
And then it
about.
turns that golden brown.
Or red.
Yes, in Germany they use it too like that.
They still call wash egg.
Makes it shiny and, you know, that nice appearance. Hello.
Smile. Mama will start vlogging. What are you going to say?
Put them in the blog too.
Thank you.
No, they want to be in the blog too.
This one?
This doesn't fit.
Fit.
Never mind. It just. Yay. Mama, I want to put it all the way up there. Wait, like that is much better so I could decorate the teepee border.
Oh, careful with your knee.
I'm okay. Mama, I want to get all the way up there so I can decorate the top.
Decorate the top.
Yeah, I need to pick up some stools or something. Why, Mama? Why are you following me? What? Is that a stool?
I will hold you.
Please. Can I just sit here? Hey. Okay. Another whatever this is.
The other side too. It's facing
Which one?
that one.
Mama, what do I do with this? It has this weird
It's okay.
thing.
There's no problem with that.
Right here, Mama, where there's a bit of snow. Okay. Look at this little lollipop. I want to put it somewhere. Mama, they look yummy. Mama, which lollipop flavor you want, Mama? Have this lollipop.
It's okay.
I have this Christmas. Why are you following me?
I will make video of you.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Hello. Face the right direction. Now I can't decorate that leaf.
The other side too.
Wait.
Give me that. Because there's nothing more on the other side.
You
There's
could.
one more, Bea.
Oh, this one is for me. Okay. Whatever this thing is, I will put it on the tree. And nothing here where this pine cone is. You're cute.
See?
Okay, Mama, I think that's it. Except for this pine cone that has glue at the back. And whatever this thing is sticking out here.
Today, bali, natapos na natin. I want to show you some ang aming decorations for this year 2025. Ating Christmas wreath. And then, dito natin makikita yung sa foyer namin ay ang, yan. Meron tayo ditong candle. Yung Bible natin. Tsaka ito yung, yan, candle din. And we have a bit of Christmas tree. Yan. Ganyan yung makikita natin dito sa aming entrance. So, ganyan guys, pagpasok sa pintuan dito, welcome to our dining room. Ito po yung, natin, decoration sa ating dining room. So, pagpasok, yung makikita nyo kagad, yung mga tinapay. At yung aming fishies. Meron tayo dyan na, yan, Christmas decoration sa aming glass. And, this is our Christmas tree. So, yan. Yung fireplace ay nandyan lang po yan. Yan. Nilagay natin dito sa ating fireplace. Dito sa bahay. At saka yung ating fireplace ay nandyan. Today is 8 degrees sa labas. So guys, yung motif natin this year is red. Nakikita nyo, red yung ating Christmas tree, white and green. So dito naman, ito po yung makikita ninyo. Ito naman ay mga recycled na lang yan, yung sa taas. Tapos yun, yung nilagay namin last time. Nibe trees. Ito yung ating Christmas village. Yan. So, yan. Ito na yung pinaka Christmas decorations natin from foyer, for our entrance door, our living room, our dining room, and in our living room.